Oh, this is a story about a guy named Al, and he lived in a sewer with his hamster bound. But the sanitation workers really didn't approve, so he packed up his accordion and had to move to a city in Ohio where he lived in a tree. And he worked in a nasal decongestant factory, and he played on the company bowling team. And every single night he had a strange recurring dream where he was wearing lederhosen and a bath sour cream. But that's really not important to the story.
Well, the very next year he met a dental hygienist with a spatula tattooed on her arm. But he didn't keep in town, Jenny Balls turned up, and then he got himself a job on a tater tot farm. And he spent his life saving on a split like a paying 20 miles below the surface of the earth. And he really makes a mighty fine jelly bean and pickle sandwich for what it's worth.
One day Al was in the forest trying to get a tan when he heard the tortured screaming of a funny little man. He was caught in a bear trap and Al set him free, and the guy that he rescued was grateful as could be. And it turns out he's a big shot producer on TV, so he gives Al a contract, and what do you know? Now he's got his very own Weird Al Show!
Oh.